What's up, guys? Today we're gonna prep the stamped concrete patio to seal it tomorrow. They said it's only a couple years old. It's already starting to come up in some areas, which is very unfortunate. I told them our sealer would hold up a lot longer here. But yeah, we're just doing the stamped concrete surface here. Again, looks like we may have had some potters up here, but always good to get that on camera because I'm getting ready to throw my hose over the top. Sometimes a pre-inspection is important. But anyways, we can start this thing up and get it prepped to seal. See what we could do here.
Sometimes I got this feeling. Sometimes I got this feeling. Sometimes I got this feeling. Sometimes I got this feeling.
coat of protection here. Need any kind of stamped concrete sealing, traditional concrete sealing, pressure washing, tile and grout cleaning, upholstery cleaning, carpet cleaning, any of the services we offer. You can book us online, windycitysteam.com. Thanks for watching.